Okay, so today we're going to do the circular pattern, or it might be called revolve. For you, yeah, same thing, but it's called circular pattern. So this is the assignment we're going to do. Okay. So what I've got right now is I just went ahead and went to public again. I typed in ISD 191. You can type in circular pattern if you want, but if you do ISD space 191, you should see them all, and then you can choose the circular pattern one. But when you open it, it should look like this. Okay. So at this point, we're basically going to put in 10 holes. Okay. So Onshape does it a little differently, but it's not too bad. So basically, what I did is I put a circle here in the one spot, the first spot, and I extruded a pin through it, and I made it a new part. Okay. So if you don't know how to do that, you just simply click new up here, and it'll make it a new part. Okay, so now I have two parts. I have the original and then I have the pin. So now I can do a circular pattern. So right up here, it's probably defaulted to linear, but if you click right here on the arrow, you want circular pattern. Okay, and it wants to add the entities to pattern, which is going to be the pin, and then the axis of pattern, which is going to be the center hub. So you do that, and you can see it's starting to put some in. We want 10 of them. So we'll put in 10 of them. Okay. And we can go ahead and check mark that. Well, now we have 10 pins. Okay, so we need to cut them out. So we're going to do this function right here. It's called Boolean. If you click on it, we want to do a Boolean subtract. Okay, it wants to know the tools. The tools are all the pins. So we'll just come down here. We'll do part 2. So we'll click on part 2. And then I'm going to scroll down, hold shift, and click on part 11. And that's to select them all. Okay. Then it wants to know the target. So you can click targets, and you can either click this part or you can click part 1 over here. Okay, but you do that and you can see it starts putting all the holes in. And then at this point, you can check mark it. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Of course, the other way is we could have took that one sketch, did a circular pattern 10 times, and then went and extruded each one and cut it. So there are a couple ways to do it. But once you have the holes in it, that's it. You just need to screenshot that, put it in a document with the other ones, and once you're done, you can upload it all. So you can move on to, I believe, video 4, which we're skipping the green one, which should be rectangular pattern. Okay, so you want to move to the rectangular pattern one.